Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Sadia Farhan and we are discussing history of mass media. We have discussed history of journalism in Britain, history of journalism in America, and now we are heading towards history of journalism in subcontinent. So, history of journalism in subcontinent began with news sheets, newsletters. It is said that Ghaznavid Muslim rulers introduced this system in India. It gained ground in Sultanate at Delhi. News writers were hired for this purpose and they were also hired for foreign news at remote areas. Then how news was collected? Only honest individuals were designated with the profession of news writing. When Britain started invasion of subcontinent, people started privately owned secret handwritten papers. And in the revolution of 1857, these papers played important role. Arrival of printing press in subcontinent. The Portuguese were the first European nation who brought printing press to India. First book was published by Jesuits of Goa in 1557. In 1674, English East India Company set up a printing press in Bombay. For about a century, no newspaper was published to withhold the malpractices of private trade from reaching London. Then William Bold, a disgruntled employee of East India Company, he resigned from service and sought to expose malpractices of private trade in 1776, but British authorities came to know and they reacted, so the Bold scheme ended in embryo. Which was the first printed newspaper of subcontinent? It is said that first printed newspaper of subcontinent appeared in 1780 and its name was Hickey's Gazette and it was produced by James Augustus Hickey. The size of the paper was 12 by 8 and it contained 4 pages. He was soon jailed, but he continued editing in jail also. Hickey's press was seized in 1782. India Gazette, and it is also called Calcutta Public Advertiser. This was the second newspaper in Indo-Pak subcontinent. It was launched by P. Reed and B. Massing in November 1780. It consisted of 4 pages and each page contained 3 columns. It was pro-government and it was against Hickey Gazette. William Duane's Indian World. William Duane's paper was openly critical to East India Company. British authorities released 2 papers to combat it, but they failed. The circulation of Indian World increased twofold. Then there came missionary newspapers. Missionary newspaper, the first missionary newspaper was Digdarshan and that was monthly newspaper. This was the second stage of Indian journalism. The Baptist missionaries at Serampore started Digdarshan in Bengali and it was in the first native language. It was brought out in 1818 by John Clark and Mr. Ward. Then Samachar Darpan, another missionary newspaper, appeared as weekly in 1818. Then Friend of India, another missionary newspaper, appeared. It was monthly and in 1818.